Hello friends, welcome back, and in this video we'll learn about comments in HTML, what they are, why they are used, even why we are using this or teaching this. So without wasting our time, let's begin our journey. But don't forget to like and subscribe this video. Let's open HTML and then create a new file. Then we'll create a new file called comments.html. Comments.html and then okay, then save it wherever you want. Oh, what's this is? I think there's a problem. Okay, now we're creating new file. Comments.html. Create new file. Take stop. Create file. Okay. Now press Shift+1 and then enter. Now change the title. Change title to comments. Okay. Then press enter comments and then create a heading. Okay, H1 heading, and then here you write today we will today we will learn about comments in HTML. Okay. Now then after we'll write paragraph and then and we will also learn what learn that they why even they are used or or what is the use. Okay, let's write this paragraph. What is their work? Okay, it's work. Okay. Now, if you want to comment this out, you have to press some syntax as you can see here. Okay. So here syntax. As you can see here, I'm writing sentence now. As you can see, it's written like this. Okay, both sentences we have written are looking here. But if we comment this out, the paragraph here, it's commented. Okay, it's commented. Now it's changed color in green because it's commented, and then this paragraph is commented. And after commenting this out, anyone cannot see it here. Okay, means if you have to hide something in your source code, you can use this feature. Okay, but not for using passwords. Okay. Now right, just I mismatched these letters, and then I will comment them out. Okay. Okay, I'm commenting them out as you can see here, and you can see that we cannot see these mismatched letters or the paragraph. But if we comment this in, the mismatched letters are shown here. Okay, so in this video, I have tell you that don't hide your passwords because anyone visiting the site can see your source code. It's like on source code I will click and then I can see this commented sentence. Okay, so don't save your passwords here. In this video, we'll learn more. In next video, we'll learn more about HTML and Ultimate Web Development course. Till then, bye bye, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.